if you can't handle that, the thing that I do is add traction as well, because traction is a very powerful distraction, not for the joints, but it's a powerful distraction, right? So I'm just going to hold here underneath his chin, lightly clench your teeth. So I don't want to have him like occlude too hard. I want to have him a light occlusion, make sure he doesn't bite his tongue or anything. So I can control the retraction with the front finger, and then traction on his occiput and his chin. So I'm going to hold him in retraction, and then just take him over here, inside bend, and hold the traction. When you do a strong traction like this, and I'm pulling with a good amount of force, maybe like 30 pounds or so, you definitely want to make sure to let go of the traction when you're back in neutral. Because that can be very, very irritating when you let go of the traction in mid-range, and someone like your wife might get very upset at you. I just recently did this. She's like, why did you do that? Oh my gosh. I was like, oh, I didn't mean to let go of the traction. So then she's like, oh, forget it, I don't want your treatment. Because really, usually when she asks for treatment, she normally just wants a massage and not treatment. She's like, I don't know why I let you treat me. But anyway, that's how I progressed through that. Okay, so those are several options. But even after you restore it, those agonist reversals or the resistance during the motion, those are really, really good for kind of re-educating the new motion. Mm-hmm. And then the goal would be get him back into supine and doing these, or sitting and doing these. Okay?